Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to use Shorts on Instagram. So Shorts is the latest feature on Instagram where you can instantly share your pictures or snaps to your followers on your account. So to use that feature, first of all launch Instagram app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, tap on the DM option at the bottom of your screen. Now, over here on your DM section, at the bottom right corner, you can see a snap-like icon with Instagram's logo on it. Tap on it. So, this is the latest feature as you can see, and you can see certain information given here about how you could use it. So just simply tap on the option of try it. With that, your camera will be opened. Now simply tap on this white circle in order to take a shot or snap. You can also add a caption if you wish to, and also you can choose who can view it. You can choose friends option or you can add it to close friends only. Now if you tap on this timer icon at the bottom left corner, you can see a quick snap archive. If you tap on it, you'll see if your friends have reacted to your Instagram shot yet. So that's how simply you can use the short feature on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.